ningabosho ukuthi nizwe ngami. Ningasho ukuthi nizwe ngami. Ngoba kushubile kumahliphi yonke indawo. Sanibonani, ni right kodwa bafethu. Hayibo, sibonile laphana ku spreading humors. For those of you abangayazi spreading humors kodwa ke ngiyazi ukuthi niyayazi spreading humors, which is a podcast that is being hosted by Uzile Wheezy as well as Uyanda Woods and Sima Mangolwane, right? Which falls under a podcast and chill, which is owned by Umek G, right? So sibonile laphana hayibo esihlalweni sika Sima sekuhleli ubani uLasizwe Dambuza. Sasala simangela ukuthi hayibo uLasizwe ufunani la. Wonke umuntu umangele. Wonke umuntu ufuna impendulo. Ukuthi hayibo MacG phela phendula boss wena mphathi wabo. Phendula ukuthi umisephi uSima kwenzakalani ngosima. Sithi siyabheka ukuthi hayi uSima naye uzokhuluma ukuthi hayibo bafethu kukanje nakanje. Sisamile namanje. So abanye they are alleging ukuthi no kungayenzeka ukuthi no uSima kahle basamisile or uqoshiwe uMacG about the comment that she made about e.tv scandal, right? uSima sibonile on the previous episode akhuluma the way ama-camera wakhona ablaring ngakhona. Akhuluma the way iskandal ama-camera wakhona ablaring ngakhona. Sabona laphayana iskandal saresponda ukuthi Sima Mangolwane, you should wait because you'll be hearing from our lawyers very soon. Hayibo. Sasicabanga ukuthi no, it can be iskandal, maybe omunye umuntu ngoba siyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abathanda ukuthi bazenze ngathi bona ukuyabona. Sacabanga ukuthi hayi man ipage nje lo muntu ogangayo. Hawu mawuthi uyangena laphayana uyabona ukuthi okwangempela it was scandal responding ukuthi Sima Ntombo so uzolindela ama lawyers manje. So uzolinda bona yibo abazodilishana nawe. So khona manje asinabo ubufakazi ukuthi okwangempela uSima uzihambele ngoba vele siye sambona laphana uSima ukuthi engathi une-interest yokuthi abe u-DJ uke wabona. So it could be that uzihambele umnye umntana and just wants to fly high, you know, or okwangempela uMacG either umbekile on hold up until this thing iphele, or okwangempela ucoshiwe. Angeke wazi ukuthi iqiniso likuphi. Kodwa ke okwamanje gayizini mina bengithi nje kini asicapheleni ukuthi mase sikhuluma right sithini ngoba njengoba sikhuluma kanje gayizini baningi abantu who are creating ama-account angekho right ngenxa yokuthi manje sebafuna ukungena kuma-video bazokhuluma umsangano, right? Ngitsheleni bafowethu ungazama ukuthi uyenze leyo account leyo and then from there uhambe uyokhuluma amasimba under ama-video wabanye abantu. Ngitshele gayizini base bayakhona ukuthi bathole ukuthi ubani wena. Bayakhona ukuthi bathole gayizini kunento bayibiza ngokuthi ama-IP address. Bayakhona ukuthi bakuthole using leyo IP address. So mina bengithi nje asicapheleni ukuthi mase sikhuluma ngabantu sikhuluma sithini. Uma sikhomenta gayizini sikhomenta sithini. It's as easy as 1 2 3. Congratulations are in order For who? Ugogo Sikhotheni. Yes. Now we saw Ugogo Sikhotheni Bandla ayenze a very nice, beautiful baby shower where also she shared with us the gender of umntana wakhe, right? So sibonile laphayana ukuthi hayibo uboy usendleleni. No, this is so sweet to watch, especially knowing that ukuthi kungasikudala vele ulentuzana ugogo Sikhotheni uye walahlekelwa umntanakhe omncane womfana uke wabona. So manje knowing abantu basemzansi nina bomathanda zindaba abantu sebathi hayibo umntana kaMonde Shange, abanye bathi hayibo sebabuyelene. Hey la ku social media kugcwele nje ukuthi uMonde ubaba wengane. Kodwa-ke thina esikhona ukuthi siphenge thina gayizini or thingithi mina ngigcine nje ugogo Sikhotheni athandana no Masterpiece YVK, right? And ngibone kwenye ivideo manje just before I came here to do this video, right? Ngibone uMaster YVK adansa laphayana esibhedlela, right? And then he captioned the caption was, when people are asking ukuthi ngiyagula yini ngifunani esibhedlela, and then from there ubonisa yena ajiva, right? And then some people were like, oh, so uwe ubaba umntana, hey, congratulations, you know. And now people started to send in congratulatory messages. Isilungu guys, ngicela ukuthi ningishayele izandla. Yes, so at this point we can only assume ukuthi ubaba umntana as Masterpiece YVK. But either way mina ngithi whether it's Monde Shange or is Masterpiece YVK, at this point mina I'm just happy for ugogo Sikhotheni to say, oh Nkosi uNkulunkulu yazini uvetane wa decide ukuthi ngani yami ngiye ngathatha okuthize kuwe okwamanje ngithi bamba kanje nje ngoba sihlala sibona noLiyana guyzini. uLiyana uhlezi njalo nje abuza ugogo Sikhotheni ukuthi ma uBoyo ukuphi, uBoyo ngimkhumbulile, uBoyo uke wabona, uyambona ukuthi uLiyana like ufuna ubhuti wakhe. So let's just hope ukuthi lengane ezayo will be Liyana's bestie just like uBoyo, right? So mina ngithatha njengokuthi lo mntana ozayo uzobathoba izinhliziyo zabo guyzini. The only thing that we can do is just to congratulate ugogo Sikhotheni and Liam ukuthi ubaba umntana ubani guyzini. Suke emabhosini, sukani lapho before nizozwa ngamaloya ngoba kulamalanga lawo hayi kushubile okwangempela guyzini. Mina ngiyanthanda sana. Guys, for those of you who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on anything, because we'll be serving you non-stop.